Hello, NexGen fam. Looking for the slimmest, smartest, and most affordable MagSafe power bank in 2025? Meet the Baseus Picogo 10K, where style meets serious performance. It's not just a power bank, it's your iPhone's new best friend. Slim, smart, snappy. Welcome to the future of wireless charging. This is the Baseus Picogo. Ultra slim, it's pocket-friendly, airline-safe, and perfect for everyday carry with 27-watt USB-C PD output. With a massive 10,000 mAh capacity and Qi2 certified 15-watt wireless charging. Here we are, the battle of price and features. Now, let's compare it with Anker and Belkin. The Baseus Picogo gives you better performance at nearly half the price. No kickstand, no display, just pure, powerful performance where it matters. Wired, wireless, the choice is yours. You can charge your iPhone, AirPods, or even an Android device with ease. With a premium matte finish, soft curved edges, and a crystal clear battery display, it's minimalism done right. Snap it, charge it, love it. Its strong MagSafe alignment ensures your phone stays in place, vertically or horizontally. Power, style, freedom. The Baseus Picogo 10K is your everyday charge companion. Available on Amazon, link in the description. Looking for the best MagSafe charger under $50? This is it. Baseus Picogo 10K, smart power, minimal design, maximum performance. You're watching NexGen Official. Subscribe now for more honest reviews and power pack picks.